In the fast-evolving world of gaming, innovation moves at lightning speed. Just when you think you've seen it all, a new product arrives and redefines what's possible. In 2023, ASUS shocked the industry with the launch of the original ROG Ally, a Windows-powered handheld gaming PC designed to rival Valve's Steam Deck. The Ally wasn't perfect, but it opened the door for a future where handheld gaming didn't mean compromising on performance. Now, ASUS is back with the ROG Ally 2, and this time, it's not just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of what a handheld gaming console can be. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Packed with cutting-edge hardware, redesigned ergonomics, and software optimizations, the ROG Ally 2 isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the pace. So, what makes the ASUS ROG Ally 2 such a game-changer? Let's dive deep into the design, performance, features, and real-world impact of this revolutionary handheld. Handheld gaming has always been about finding the balance between portability and performance. From the Nintendo Game Boy in 1989 to the PlayStation Portable in 2005, and then the Nintendo Switch in 2017, every generation has tried to push the limits of what a small device can do. Valve's Steam Deck in 2022 marked a turning point, proving that full PC gaming could be brought into a handheld form factor. ASUS saw the opportunity and entered the race with the ROG Ally, which ran Windows and promised compatibility with the entire PC ecosystem. The original Ally was praised for its sharp 1080p display, comfortable design, and strong AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU, but it also faced criticism. Battery life was short, thermals were tricky, and Windows wasn't optimized for handheld use. The ROG Ally 2 is ASUS's answer to all of those concerns. It represents not just an incremental step forward, but a leap into the future of handheld computing. The first thing you'll notice about the ROG Ally 2 is its refined design language. ASUS has kept the iconic ROG styling with sharp lines and customizable RGB lighting, but the chassis has been made slimmer and lighter for longer handheld sessions. Key design improvements include better ergonomics with rounded grips, reducing strain during extended play. A more balanced weight distribution, so it doesn't feel top-heavy. A slightly larger 7.2-inch OLED display with thinner bezels, delivering deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and a higher refresh rate. New adaptive triggers and tactile buttons, rivaling even premium console controllers. The build quality feels premium, combining magnesium alloy and reinforced plastic, making it durable without being too heavy. ASUS also improved cooling vents and fan design, ensuring that even at full load, the Ally 2 remains quieter than its predecessor. The display is where ASUS has really pushed boundaries. The ROG Ally 2 comes with a 7.2-inch 120Hz OLED panel at 1080p resolution, offering stunning color accuracy and ultra-smooth gameplay. HDR support has also been enhanced, giving players more immersive visuals in supported games. But what truly sets it apart is adaptive refresh rate technology, which dynamically adjusts the frame rate to ensure smooth visuals while conserving battery. This means whether you're playing a fast-paced shooter or a slower-paced RPG, the experience feels seamless. For creators and streamers, the OLED panel doubles as a fantastic portable display for editing or media consumption. At the heart of the ROG Ally 2 is the brand new AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme APU, a custom chip co-developed with AMD specifically for handhelds. It combines Zen 5 CPU cores with RDNA 4 graphics, delivering a massive leap in both efficiency and raw performance. Highlights include 8-core, 16-thread CPU for desktop-like multitasking, RDNA 4 GPU with hardware ray tracing and AI upscaling, FSR 3.0. Support for up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring smooth performance even in demanding titles. In real-world terms, the Ally 2 can handle modern AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield at medium to high settings while maintaining smooth frame rates, something handhelds previously struggled with. One of the biggest criticisms of the original ROG Ally was its weak battery life. ASUS has clearly listened. The Ally 2 comes with a 70Wh dual-cell battery and advanced power management software. Depending on the usage, players can expect 8 to 10 hours for indie and retro games, 4 to 6 hours for modern AAA titles at balanced settings, 2 to 3 hours at maximum performance mode with unlocked TDP. Fast charging is also included, allowing 50% charge in just 30 minutes. This makes the Ally 2 far more practical for travel and long play sessions compared to its predecessor. Running Windows on a handheld always felt like a compromise. The OS wasn't built for small screens or controller-first navigation. With the ROG Ally 2, ASUS worked with Microsoft to optimize Windows 12 for handheld use. Key improvements include a handheld gaming mode with a console-like UI, better controller integration, allowing seamless navigation without a mouse or keyboard, built-in Xbox Game Pass, Steam, and Epic Launcher support, improved suspend/resume states, similar to the Nintendo Switch. This makes the Ally 2 the first truly Windows handheld that feels like a console without sacrificing PC versatility. Performance means nothing without efficient cooling. The ROG Ally 2 introduces a dual-fan vapor chamber cooling system that spreads heat evenly while staying quiet. ASUS also uses liquid metal thermal compound for better heat transfer. The result? Sustained performance without thermal throttling, even in demanding games. And unlike the original Ally, the fans are quieter, making it more pleasant for portable use. ASUS understands that handheld gaming isn't just about the console, it's about the ecosystem. The Ally 2 is compatible with the ROG XG mobile external GPU dock, allowing players to connect an RTX 5090 or other high-end GPUs for desktop-class performance when docked. Other accessories include a charging dock with HDMI output for TV or monitor play, official travel cases and controller grips, third-party accessory support thanks to an expanded USB-C/Thunderbolt 5 port. This flexibility makes the Ally 2 not just a handheld, but a hybrid PC console experience. How it stacks against the competition. No discussion of the Ally 2 is complete without comparing it to rivals. Steam Deck OLED, Valve's offering still has the price advantage, but the Ally 2 crushes it in raw performance and display quality. Lenovo Legion Go, larger and versatile, but bulkier compared to the Ally 2's balanced design. Ayaneo devices, great specs, but ASUS's global support and ecosystem give it the edge. In short, the Ally 2 strikes the best balance between power, portability, and ecosystem support. The ROG Ally 2 isn't just for hardcore gamers. It appeals to multiple audiences. PC gamers who want their library on the go. Console players are curious about stepping into PC gaming without building a rig. Travelers who want powerful entertainment in a small form factor. Streamers and creators looking for a portable secondary device. 2 to 3 hours at maximum performance mode with unlocked TDP. Fast charging is also included, allowing 50% charge in just 30 minutes. This makes the Ally 2 far more practical for travel